That time wey be say if you wake up for morning, go call am how are you, she go call you. That time unu ka na-eme nye m azụ mgbe ahụ unu na-eme nne ka nsị n'azụ bịa ka nsị n'azụ ụlọ ịga amụ n'ọtụ. That time try cheat on am. That time wey na still dey do una friendship wey dey say the love no dey make your relationship dey as in e suppose dey rosy, yeah, but you no go make am too dey like say no wahala go ever dey after marriage. You don know say na this person you wan marry later. When you dey date am, try cheat on am at least once, 2 times. Try cheat on am. E get why, e get reason. Maka ada ama Onitsha gwara Obosi. When you cheat on this person, the reaction of this person go tell you wetin your future with am go be. If you be woman, you cheat on am, e begin beat you. Just know say after marriage, if you ever see suspect something, e go first of all, e go break your phone. E go come turn you to punching bag. If you be the man, you cheat on am, she catch you. She come begin break things wey dey your house. If you get like house, you go carry something go break your windscreen. My dear, just know say after marriage, she see you say you cheat. For where you dey sleep, you go take knife take bless you. Na be this one wey you go hear say after marriage, you go hear say she use knife e go choke im husband. You go hear say the man he carry the woman up, he knack her head for ground, he beat her, she die. Na be all those things wey you dey hear. Relationship wey na no take time.
Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, make you go subscribe so that you go to hear many ogbonge news when they come out for here. Thank you so much for coming around again, and God bless you, my darling people, my correct people. You get one video when I see just now where this our sister do say make he want advise married people, say make we dey try to dey cheat and on our boyfriend if we dey date us before we marry am. The thing come shock me, say why this our sister now go come talk this kind thing, say make we dey cheat on our man before he go come, before we do the marriage. Me come dey lis ten to the video, I come dey lis ten. So she come talk say wetin make am talk like that, say some men dey wey be say after you don marry them, they will come begin dey beat you, they will come begin dey do you so many things. He say if you cheat on her, if you see a reaction of the way it take beat you or the way it take do, now you go take know whether you go end up with her or you not go end up with her. I can't say this advice is serious. So how una reason am, my darling people? This lady say make we try cheat on our boyfriend before he go come marry us. Hey, my ogbonge people, how una reason this matter? This one shockalize me. This one shock me. He say make we try cheat on our boyfriend before he marry us. This one can't shock me. I say no, I'm not gonna use my real eye to do this one. This one now my shade I go take do am. She say make we try to dey cheat on our man before we even dey talk say we want marry or we not go marry. The thing come shockalize me. I go put the video more on the list. He say make we try to dey cheat. More on list,
Just know after marriage, when you cheat on this person, the reaction of this person,
I hope una dey hear
your future with am go be. If you be woman, you cheat on am, he begin beat you. Just know after marriage, if you ever see suspect something, you go first of all, you go break your phone.
Okay.
You go come turn you to punching bag. If you be the man, you cheat on am, she catch you. She come begin break things wey dey your house. If you get like house, you go carry something go break your windscreen. My dear, just know after marriage, she see you say you cheat. For where you dey sleep,
more na listen though.
You go take knife take bless you.
Okay.
Now be this one where you go here say after marriage, you go here say she use choke your husband. You go here say the man, he carry the woman up, he knock her head for ground, he beat her, she died. Now be all those things where you dey hear. Relationship when I no take time. You dey see the signs say, if I end up with this person, oh, it go be like this. But you go say no problem. Love go cover your eyes.
Okay.
Love go blind your eyes. After marriage, you come dey see series of, come dey hear stories.
Story that touch the heart.
Scatter breaker. You cook hot water, you pour am.
What did she dey try to talk be say, if you dey friend man, you dey friend man, maybe try make you know the man character, whether he go dey beat you at the beginning when you dey date am, so that you go know whether you will still marry that kind man or not. Because after you don't go marry am, you come turn you to push it back for house, you come begin dey beat you. Now wetin she dey try make she talk, say that cheat on na when you dey talk. So I don't understand, because if you can't cheat on man, if he beat you, if he really do you wetin you not like, how you go cheat? No, that cheat you, me I not advise that one. No. For wetin this our lady dey talk, so me I not advise that cheating. I advise say, if maybe you dey date man now, you know, through date you date and see, from there you go know his character. He cannot pretend forever. Some way be say they don't already know who this guy be, they go still come go marry him, and that those people na be the verse for. You know, you still go ahead. This say go change. It not go change. Oh, wait till it does start. It does start out. Now the one we want change, then the change. The one we don't want change, it not go change. You go still continue to they do you that thing. You understand? I go put the video more and listen to this our sister Wella, because the thing, you see, they shock me. You see, they shock talize me. Thank you, my darling people. Take care. Bye. Please help me to share the video. Let this video go viral.
They do love you. That time where they tell and say name ya mamu. That time where be say if you wake up for morning, go call him how are you, she go call you. That time ono ka na-eme nye maazụ ba ho nnu na-eme nne ka nsi na-azụ bịa ka nsi na-azụ ụlọ ego amụ n'ọtọ. That time try cheat on them. That time when I see they do in a friendship, where they say they love, no, they make your relationship they as in it's supposed to rosy, yeah. But you know go make am 2 day like say no wahala go ever day after marriage. You don't know so now this person you won't marry later. When you date them, try cheat on them. At least once, 2 times, try cheat on them. You get why? You get reason. Makada mama onicha barobusi. When you cheat on this person, the reaction of this person will tell you what's in your future with and go be. If you be woman, you cheat on them, he begin beat you. Just know after marriage, if he ever see suspect something, he go first of all he go break your phone. He go come turn you to punching bag. If you be the man, you cheat on them, she catch you. She come begin break things within your house. If you get like house, go carry something, go break your whisker. My dear, just know after marriage, she see you say you cheat. For where you dey sleep, you go take knife, take bless you. Now I be this one where you go here say after marriage, you go here say she used knife, you go choke your husband. You go here say the man, he carried the woman up, he knock her head for ground, he beat her, she died. Now I be all those things where you dey hear. Relationship when I no take time. You dey see the signs say, if I end up with this person, it go be like this. But you go say no problem. Love go cover your eyes. Love go blind your eyes. After marriage, you come dey see series of, you come dey hear stories. he scatter breaker, he cook hot water, he pour am, he cook hot oil, he pour am, he knack am, he carry am up, he knack am for ground, he go, he beat am, he die. Na the kind stories wey you go dey hear later, because you dey see the signs, you no wan comot hand. You make your relationship